Pakistan versus Afghanistan Try Series, covering the schedule and likely the playing 11. What's the Try Series all about? This tournament is the 2025 UAE T20I Tri-Nation Series, set to run from August 29th to September 7th, 2025, in the United Arab Emirates at Shárjah Cricket Stadium. Teams involved: Pakistan, Afghanistan, and the UAE. Format: double round robin, followed by a final between the top two teams. Time for all matches: 7 p.m. local time, which equates to 8:30 p.m. IST, also aligning with 8:30 p.m. Pakistan time. Full match schedule: date match time, UAE, 29th August, Afghanistan versus Pakistan 7 p.m., 30th August, UAE versus Pakistan 7 p.m., 1st September, UAE versus Afghanistan 7 p.m., 2 Sep Pakistan versus Afghanistan 7 p.m., 4 Sep Pakistan versus UAE 7 p.m., 5 September, Afghanistan versus UAE 7 p.m., 7 September, final. Top two teams from group stage 7 p.m. Why this series matters. 1. Asia Cup warm-up. The tournament serves as crucial preparation for the Asia Cup 2025, which kicks off in the UAE just 2 days later, on September 9th. Second, Sharjah conditions. Sharjah's spin-friendly pitches and compact playing dimensions make it ideal for testing squad depth and death-over strategies under realistic UAE conditions. Third, squad strategy and